Okay, so I've got the panels opened up. This is the outdoor prepper dog checking them out. And they look pretty nice. That one on the left has got a little shade on it, so I might slide them a little bit more to the right. And let's get the Blue Eddy out here. Let's hook it up and let's see what kind of wattage we're getting. All right, so I pulled the Blue Eddy outside. Panels are set up nice in the sun here. And let me just pan around because I did move them over just a little bit so we can get some close to full sun. So that looks pretty good. This is my first time using a solar panel, like ever, and certainly my first time trying to hook it up to a solar generator. So I am actually very excited. So let's zoom the camera in so you can kind of follow along as I do this for the first time here. So if we're looking at the side of the AC 200L, and this is a pretty large solar generator. This is a 2045 watt-hour pack. So let's just see how this goes. Looks like this goes like this. So first thing I'm doing is I'm just attaching the cable that came with the AC 200L. And then, let me just come over here to the camera to make sure that you guys can see this. So I've got the cable plugged into the AC 200L. It's got these, I believe these are XT60 connectors. Those are plugged in tight. And now we're going to take these and plug them in to the panel. So let's just let's move the camera around here so that way you can see this, hopefully. And now I don't know what's going to happen as soon as I connect these. I mean, maybe it'll start charging right away. Maybe I need to turn it on. I'm not entirely clear. All right. Those are all hooked up. Ooh, the unit just turned on. Outdoor prepper dog is angry. So we are pulling in right now 102 watts from our 220 watt panels. I suppose that is okay. It is February. We don't have the strongest sun, and the panels are probably not angled entirely correctly.